Gems with Emeralds by Gemsphere.
Today, award shows in there. So tell us about that. What kind of award show is happening?
I think it's a very innovative award show, and it's been there for, I think this is the 11th time. So I'm really excited. It's my first time here, and I've seen some amazing designs, so I'm quite excited to see who the winners are.
Which is your favorite jewel?
My favorite jewel is the diamond, and I think I like the jewelry which my mom gifted me most because they have a sentimental value. But also the jewelry I buy myself. I really enjoy buying jewelry because it's after a long time of work, you can afford a piece of nice jewelry. It's a really amazing feeling.
Any upcoming projects that you want to share?
Yeah, I've just started my NGO. It's called Seams for Dreams, and it uses fashion for a good cause. And actually, I'm doing an amazing event with Vogue end of this month. So I'm really excited to announce more about this next week. And you can donate your old clothes to Seams for Dreams.
Thank you so much.
First of all, Smiley, a very good evening.
Thank you.
You're looking lovely, and so is the jewelry. Tell us something about that.
I believe I'm wearing Anmol Jewelers and Gemfields rubies. I like rubies. I have a few of them. I've never worn something. For me, this is heavy. So it's a really delicate. It's a really beautiful set, and I like the delicate earrings. So I'm really liking it. It's a good piece. Really nice.
Tell us something. What are you expecting from the event?
A lot of diamonds, a lot of. I'm expecting basically glamour, fun, beauty, a lot of shining, glitterati, stardust. Yeah, so fun basically.
आज जो है अवार्ड शो है तो क्या लगता है किस तरह का अवार्ड शो होगा ये?
आई थिंक अवार्ड शो बहुत मुश्किल होगा क्योंकि कोई भी पीस ऑफ ज्वेलरी में डिसाइड करने के लिए, खासकर एक लड़की के लिए या किसी के लिए भी बहुत मुश्किल होता है. एवरी जेम, एवरी पीस ऑफ ज्वेलरी, हर आदमी की एक क्रिएटिविटी होती है. तो अगर किसी ने बहुत अपनी क्रिएटिविटी डाल के एक सर्टन पीस बनाया है, आई एम श्योर जज करने के लिए कि कौन सा पीस बेहतरीन है बहुत मुश्किल है.
Smiley, what's going on the professional front? क्या चल रहा है?
Well, on the professional front, we just finished Nachpaliye. There is something coming up, hopefully. Right now, I'm just working on myself, losing some weight and coming back in a new avatar.
So definitely, can we go? Will we see you any specific?
Yes, you
movie or
will. You
something?
will see a lot of me soon. I promise.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. यहाँ आएगी तब ले लो. बस करे बंद कर दिनेश. बस करना अभी तू ही बचा है. बंद कर.
As women love jewelry, should I see there? Okay. As women love jewelry, I am no different. I'm wearing these jewelries, beautiful. There's this earring, the neck piece, and the handcuff. All of these green emeralds are set by the Gemfield gemstones. So pretty excited about this event, and there are a lot of awards which will be, really great to see who wins. So pretty excited.
What type of jewelry?
Sorry?
Any memorable jewelry you want?
I'm not wearing right now, but one memorable jewelry that I had was when I passed my 10th board exams. My family gifted me a diamond ring, so that was really, really special for me. It's not official yet, so I wish I could share it with you, but soon.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Indian woman, and we love jewelry. We can't do without our jewelry. So I'm looking forward to some spectacular designs winning. I'm just going to go and have a look and see some of the other displays. I'm wearing something by Jet Gems, and it's an exquisite piece of jewelry. Thrilled to be here.
आप किस तरह की ज्वेलरी पहनना पसंद करते हैं? जैसे कि हम यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं कि आपने इयरिंग्स पहनी है लेकिन नेक पीस में कुछ नहीं पहना. आप किस तरह की ज्वेलरी रियल लाइफ में पहनना पसंद करते हैं?
I think you should have one piece and it should be striking. बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिसमस ट्री भी बनने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि हर जगह से कुछ ना कुछ चिपकाया हुआ है. I like to wear one statement piece, एक अच्छा piece. That's what my style statement is.
Favorite jewelry?
My favorite jewelry is, I think, rings. I love rings, yeah.
Any memorable jewelry जो आपको मिली हो आपकी मम्मी से या फिर किसी से?
जी, मेरी मदर ज्वेलरी की बहुत शौकीन है, तो उनके कई सारे एंटीक पीसेस हैं जो मेरे पास हैं, ना वेयर देम. मेरी मदर इन लॉ से मुझे कंगन मिले हैं बहुत खूबसूरत, विच आई थिंक टीवी सीरियल्स ने उनका नाम ख़राब कर दिया है कि कंगन का बहुत पॉलिटिक्स होता है उसके पीछे. बट आई गॉट देम फॉर माई वेडिंग एंड आई लव वेयरिंग देम.
So Priska, what else is going on in the profession? क्या चल रहा है?
क्या चल रहा है? Well, I am looking to produce a film. ये चल रहा है. So I'll be inviting you all to a press conference, and I hope all of you will come soon. Yeah, so that's what's going on now. But I have 5 or 6 releases coming up in the year. I think you know Highway. Then there's Secret, Ram Gopal Varma's. Then there's Ghayal once again. Then there's Kaak Sparsh. And then there's Love Shuda. So there's 4 or 5 films coming up this year.
Priska, the nation is going to celebrate Independence Day. Any wishes you want to give to the audience over there?
यस आई थिंक हमने एक फिज़िकल सेंस में इंडिपेंडेंस पा लिया है, बट mentally अभी स्पेशली द men of this country have not achieved independence. They still treat women like objects and that's a problem. We really, especially up north, महाराष्ट्र में इतना बुरा हाल नहीं है, but up north it's a very big problem. So I think that azadi for women is a concept more than an actuality.